You will receive a chemical packing kit that will allow you to make a rigid holder specific to your head coil that will allow you to make reproducible measurements every day. Take the head coil out of the magnet room, put it on a table, unfold your little chemical pack, and get ready to break the seal on that. You need to pop the A and the B parts of the chemical to let them mix. You'll hear it pop like a balloon there. And now mix the foam, it'll be heating up, mix it all around inside of there. I place this in the middle, but you could place one end inside the coil. Take the fan and put it with the knob down so it's always in the same position. Now squeeze the foam around and get it situated around the phantom. Squeeze out the air. It'll be warm. You'll probably want to wear gloves with this. Here I'm just squeezing out the air, getting the foam around the phantom. And then when it cools, it'll be a nice rigid holder to get it lined up every time. Just keep working it and it should be good. And then you want to make sure your head coil fits on top of this so that you don't have any problems when you make your measurements.